what's going on, guys? It's Catch Hell. Thanks for clicking on this video and taking a look at my daily commute here in Seattle. Obviously you can see it's a cold one today, 39 degrees and pretty rainy, not gonna lie. With the KLR it's a little bit tricky here on these rainy roads in Seattle, just with the knobby tires. I had a couple instances here where, you know, the back tire tends to slip out pretty easily, so obviously it's fun in the morning to kind of get the head in the right mindset so that we're not messing up on these small, steep hills in Seattle, but having a safe ride into work. Obviously this is just the first part of the video. I actually take the ferry every day from Seattle to Bainbridge for my ride. This is just one of the commutes into the ferry as part of that first part of the morning commute. So far, I've really enjoyed the KLR 650 as opposed to the Desert Sled in here in Seattle. You might have noticed that I haven't been riding the Desert Sled. That's because I've had to move around a lot for work, and it's currently in storage back in New England. I'm looking to get that Ducati back out here in Seattle for some riding, but in the meantime, I'm rocking the KLR 650, which I absolutely love. That being said, with the ferry, it's so much cheaper to ride on the ferry with the motorcycle as compared with my truck. Just cost difference for 10 days of commuting, it's about $120 on the motorcycle as compared to almost $270 with the truck. So that being said, I'm riding the motorcycle every day, even in these cold days, which is fun. The commute's not bad. For my house here in Seattle, it's about a 10-minute drive. That being said, it's not like California where you can split lanes, so I am subject to the traffic and the whims of the people in front of me. So I do get caught up at some red lights, and overall I haven't had any issues with missing the ferry in the morning. It is an early morning for me to get to work on time. The first ferry departing Seattle leaves at roughly around 5:30 in the morning, and the one after that is 6:10. So if I need to get in super early, I'm waking up at 4:45 in the morning, which is a blast. So yeah, this is it. Me riding in the morning. Obviously this one's a little bit rainy, and I apologize for the end of the video. The camera does get a little bit wet as I pull into the ferry as it takes off. What you guys can expect from me over the next couple weeks, months, and a year from this channel. Obviously I'm going to be featuring this KLR 650, which I absolutely love. Picked it up when I moved up here. Had about 4,000 miles on it. It's a 2013. Not much modifications to it. Really all I've done is kind of make that sheepskin motorcycle seat that you guys seen a couple times now, and just getting the right riding gear for riding around here in the winter, which I'll do a couple videos on here coming soon. Hoping to get out into the national parks here. Olympic National Park, been over to Mount Baker, maybe do a little bit of a trip up north, get out to the coast here on the west side of Washington, and kind of feature the Pac Northwest and just the trails and absolute great riding that we have out here. I am looking to get the Ducati out here at some point this next year. When that is, I don't know, but I'll do a video on the kind of shipment that I go with and how that process works for you guys who might need to use that process for yourselves. So that'll be a good video to take a look out for. In the meantime, though, as I keep harping on, I'll be riding the KLR 650, which has been great for me. You know, the knocker, able to do everything, but not great at one thing. Some people say I probably flubbed that, but overall, just a great bike. Take it on the highway over around the Bainbridge side of the Sound, and it keeps up with the traffic, and I have had no issues with that so far. So it's been good to me. But in the meantime, here's the video. Hope you enjoy. I'll be putting out some more videos here soon. As always, catch hell.